Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Got another video coming. So I went shopping today. Yeah, I was looking at a bunch of stuff, but I only got one thing. And you know I had this before. Some Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, right? But I had it in the color 440. It was orange. So this time I got 445 since she came out with new colors. I was so happy. I was like, Lord, please tell me she got my color. So I went in there, I tested it. It matched my chest. It wasn't too dark, wasn't too light. Like the 430 is too light, the 440 is too orange, and so I tried 445 because it's not orange at all. It has a nice olive undertone, which most people call gray, but that is okay. So I am gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, and then I'm gonna come back. I actually had on makeup today, so I took it off to do this video. And I have other things that I have to do this evening. So the time is now, what time is it? It is 6:53 at night. Yeah, I know. And I'm talking about I got other stuff to do, but I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera. I got that to show you, and then also this Louise base. I got just the regular base, the white one. Cause I was like, oh, I want that white base because I want to do some things. So that's what we're gonna work with today, guys. And I'll be right back. All right, guys, back. Eyebrows done to the best of my ability as of right now. I need to get my eyebrows done. I have not done that. Maybe next week. I don't know. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color D. You've all seen this. Just wanna my bags. Alright, and now it's time for this girl. I'm trying to see, do I want to use my brush? I'm gonna use my brush to put it in. Shake it up. That's what it says to do. Shake, shake, shake your body. Shake your body right. I know I'm crazy, so I'm just gonna put some 3 squirts on the back of my hand, like so. Alright, that's what it's looking like. Take this foundation brush that I like to use. That's good. I know they dry down fast, so. Them 3 skirts gone. Alright. Back to the Tarte Shape Tape. Right up under the eye. I was gonna do it different today and do like my eyes first, but I hate this brush. Look at the brush. Look how big this mug is. Like I can barely get over there. It's huge. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so we're both blind, as can be. A little highlight. A dot on my nose, because it's big, so I don't need to accentuate that any more than what it is. So you all know I still, what I use for my contour is Makeup Revolution foundation. I don't know, and you know, I was looking at that matchstick from Rihanna, but I was like, I'm gonna go and finish this first, so. My under eye with my Sasha Buttercup. You know I love her. So I'm just gonna dab just a little. I'm just gonna press it into my under eye. Extra down there to catch that fallout like so. And what I am going to do is I'm going to grab a palette. I've already done my eyes. I don't know which. What we going for today, y'all? Y'all want to see something with some shimmer? See? Give me a minute, y'all. I'm gonna get my life together. Let's figure out what we're gonna do today. What y'all wanna do? Something from every palette. Let's do that. Something from every palette. Alright, so we Gucci with that. Let's get it. Get it, got it, good. Alright, start off with this brush. I'm just gonna wipe it off on these little pads. It's dry. So I don't want it wet. I'm just gonna wipe it off to get the excess color off, which is some brown, obviously. Alright, let's go. In for the kill. Not that kill. We're gonna go in the Nubian 2 palette. I'm gonna start off with this color, Morocco. And these colors are very pigmented. Oh, my friend on live. She loves to go on live when I'm doing a video. Alright guys, I'm back. Bloop, 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 bloop. Did the top of my whatever. Alright, let's go sweep away the excess and the fallout. I'm looking like an island gal by the eyes. This is what I had left. I'm just gonna wipe that off. It's like paint. That's what it's like. It's like paint. Anyway, that's all. I'm trying to see. Do I want to do it under eye? Not really. Nope, not really. Don't want to. I'm just gonna bronze. You know, this is my contour brush for bronzing, and I use eyeshadow for that. So. Hey. Alright, so I'm gonna take the darkest Maybelline powder. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to take the same brush, dip it, tap it off. Well, you can see it in the camera, but you can't really see it in person. With it. Just setting my face. I'm just setting the rest of my face with there. And that's set. Okay, y'all, I look cute or whatever. Alright, so I got some new lashes from Shoplifting Ambition. My girl, her YouTube channel is Life with Cammy. Her name's Alicia. These are her lashes. These are the boss lashes here, honey. We bossing it up today, okay? We're gonna boss it up with these lashes today. So I'm gonna take my y'all, I was in Sephora getting this foundation, and I was looking at the Better Than Sex mascara. Don't judge me on look, I didn't get it though. But when I tell y'all, this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. It's the waterproof one. This is the dupe. The dupe. Okay, this is L'Oreal. Only thing that's not dupey is that this is light. Cause the handle on that mug is like oh, that got some heft to it. I opened it up, I was like, oh, this thing's heavy. Okay. Too Faced. This heavy mascara. One. Yeah, they won heavy. But This one not so much. Alright, let's finish these bottom lashes. Since we got line and smoking out of nothing too. Do a little something. I got my mind. No, I can see it. Maybe more green? I don't know. Oh shit. Y'all, I'm sitting here looking at other stuff. And look what I did. Look at my face. Whew. Help a sister out. Help a sister out. Yeah, I know this waterproof mascara. Get it off real quick. There you go. I'm like, get it out real quick before I get to settling in. Hey guys, they're back. Eyelashes on, doing my lip now. I got brown lip pencil. It's brown. Regular, schmegular brown. That's the color. Okay, yes ma'am. Hi, my name's Lola. What can I help you with today? Yeah, anyway, Boss Lashes from Shop Lusting Ambition. And now I'm finna throw on a wig. Bye. Oh, sorry. We're not finna cut this just yet. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I don't know why the freak you have not subscribed. Anyway, share this video with your friends. It's just me being, I guess, kind of silly. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with my makeup. But, bitch, I look good. Do I even want to throw on a wig? I might just part my hair and, you know, I'm not going to throw on a wig. I'm just going to part my hair and put some gel on it and use my sponge. And, because I look that good. I don't even need a wig. Bitch, I look so good. Oh, you can't tell me I don't. And if you do try and tell me that I don't look good, I'm just going to say F you. Anyway, love you. Love you all, even the haters.